Hey guys, welcome back to Current Designs. I'm Hannah, and today we're going to be talking about accessibility. Accessibility is really important in websites to make sure that every user is having a good experience, no matter what issues or handicaps they may have. So, there are a lot of interviews, user testing, and AIs that you can use to make sure that your site has a good accessibility. But today, I'm going to be showing you 3 quick, free tools that you can use online to really make sure that your website has this good accessibility. So today I'm just going to give a tutorial with Jampacks, which is a small startup in Montana. Go ahead and check them out. But the first tool that I'm going to use is web.dev. So if you go onto this web.dev website, you can just click the little test my site button, and you should be able to plug in your web page URL here and then run it. I've already run it, guys, and as you can see, Jampacks does a great job with their accessibility, which is what a lot of companies want to make sure that any user can use their website. They have some really good practices, and their search engine optimization is really good, which means when you're searching for the website, you can find it. But as you can see, they have some struggles with performance. And if you scroll down a little bit farther, you're going to see where these issues are coming from. Specifically, they're having a really long time to interact. So if you scroll down even just a little bit farther, you're going to see what's being impacted and what's causing these impacts. The biggest one right here is this eliminate render blocking resources, which means that before the website can load, it has to download all the JavaScript and CSS information before it'll even load. And that takes a while for a browser to do. So by getting rid of those render blocking resources, Jampacks could do a much better job with performance. So that's definitely one thing that I would recommend. Now, the second type of accessibility audit we're going to run is through Wave. So Wave is just a Chrome extension, and I already have it pulled up here on the website. And you can see it's just on this sidebar here, and you can tell all the different types of errors and alerts that Wave is giving you. But the biggest ones right here are these 2 errors. So if I go into my details tab, I can see what these errors and alerts are. The first one is with this language missing. So if you click on this little button here on the website, it's going to tell you more information. And I'm going to go into reference, and it's going to give me a lot more information on what this specific error means. Now, basically, what it means is that the HTML language tag is missing. So if someone with a visual impairment comes onto Jampacks and they want to use a screen reader to hear the site, they are going to have some trouble because there's no language for the screen reader to know what type of content they have. So that was one simple line of code that Jampacks could add in, and their accessibility ratings would probably increase a lot more. And now this third audit we're going to run is with Lighthouse. I already have it pulled up, but it's also a Chrome extension, and if I just clicked this little button, I would be able to see a report. This is very similar to this web.dev. It gives me a very similar report. And if you scroll down, you're going to be able to see a lot more information on their time to interact and things like that we kind of had already seen in the past. But one thing that really stands out to me about this is their text. It says ensure text remains visible during web font load. And that basically means that the host that they're using fonts from that host, which is great. And it probably makes their website look super cool, but they don't have a backup CSS. So when the website is loading, you're not seeing any sort of words because the browser is waiting for those fonts to load from their host, but there's no CSS backing that up. So you won't be able to see any text until the whole website loads, which is a little stressful, as you can imagine, not being able to see what's on the screen or what's supposed to be on the screen. So those were just 3 simple tools. I already got 3 different things that they can already be changing. These tools are really great, guys. I would definitely recommend. I'm going to link them all down below, so please check them out, use them, and good luck, guys. You're going to have a lot of fun. So I look forward to hearing all about it.